The Reorder Doors or Windows feature allows you to pick the order of doors or windows in a room when using the sequencing number for the Door UID features or Window UID features. Both these work the same, just one works on doors and one works on windows. They can be found under the door or window tools in the Naviate Architecture ribbon. Let's take a look at a room that has a few doors in it. I've used the Door UID feature to number my doors and added a sequential number. When it's run for the first time, you don't have the option to pick the order of the sequential number. However, I can then use the Reorder Doors or Reorder Windows feature. In this example, I will reorder my doors. Simply select the command, and it'll allow you to pick from that category. So I can only pick doors. I can pick any door from any room to begin with, but once I select the first door, it'll only allow me to pick doors in that same room. So, for example, let's reorder the doors in this room. I can select the first door and maybe begin with the exterior door. Then I can pick the next door in the sequence, so we're going to go counterclockwise. And you'll notice once I pick the first door, I won't be able to pick doors in other rooms. So we'll pick this for the next one and this for the third one. It automatically knows how many doors are in a room and will stop the command once you've picked all your doors. So you can see now that I have changed the order, and it will remember the order next time I run the updater to update the door UIDs. So if I were, for example, to change the room number and run the door UID feature again, it will remember the new order that I've selected for the sequential numbering. And that is everything you need to know about the Reorder Doors or Windows feature.